Did he come down? Did he come down? He got down? Okay, that's great. He came down? Okay, that's good. Huh? Yeah, he has a what? Yeah. Wow. Hey,
Down here.
look at it, he came down, huh?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, yeah, okay, you know how to do it now. Okay?
I hope so.
Yeah, well, that's good.
I'll get him in the house.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey.
Congratulations again.
Hey, Wallace, good to see you again, okay? I'm up here with Georgie, and Georgie's right there, and here, people are down here. He's about, oh, I'm going to say 40 feet up, and they say he's a nice kitty, so I'm going to try to scruff him and put him in a bag. Hey, Georgie. Hi, how you doing? How you doing, Pumpkin? You alright? Huh? You're growling at me. I ain't good. Yeah, I ain't good, Pumpkin. You wanna smell me? How long has he been up here? Last night. Okay, get the net ready. Get the net ready. He doesn't like it at all. He doesn't like it at all.
I got you.
Okay, there's George.
Okay.
There's Georgie.
It's okay. It's okay.
There's Georgie. There's Georgie. Okay, here we go. Go. Here we go. Let me get over here.
I like your technique there, bud.
Okay.
Good job, Van. Be close, Van. You got about another 15 feet. Good job, Van.
Okay.
I can understand that. He's got the cat. He's got the prize. Good job, bud. You're almost home.
Okay.
You in?
I got you. Wait. Come on.
You wrapped around. There you go.
Could go. Come on down. Come on.
Good job, Van.
He's showing off now.
No, he's enjoying it now.
Hold on.
Got the prize. Yeah, buddy. Good job, my man.
You did good, brother. Here.
Dang sure did. Woo! Is that rain or sweat?
Or pee. Okay, brother.
Job, bud.
Help him up.
I know it, man. He's worked his tail off.
Let me get that cat so she don't freak out and run.
Yeah, back up the tree.
You just come to mama. Don't you ever go up that tree again.
Dude, good job, man.
He took a crowbar to get that cat off that limb jack.
Yeah, I tell you what.
You did good.
Yeah, you did.
You did dang good, man.
And he wanted him to throw up.
Yeah, man. You're throwing the phone at the mouth. Buddy. You did good, man.
Yeah.
Woo, I'm impressed.
Okay, that was Cat Rescue 652, and that cat was way up there, 100 feet, and the owner was a tree worker, so I just made sure I had him safely on a safety rope, and he went up, spiked up the tree, and got the cat. He didn't have the equipment to get the safety rope up there, and I did, so it worked out here in Winder, Georgia.